So there is something going on in the country I don't understand, especially with eyewitness reports.
The pilot, he has seen the scene, so he has surveyed the park. So he wants to come and turn here to the park. Then the time that you reach here, the angel
Then the
is
thing
bent.
is a copter.
I don't know the type of the.
It's a copter.
It's
because
a copter.
A plane cannot be doing.
It's copter. I don't know that.
Is it by force to speak English?
So the pilot also has done well for us that say you use the front to fail. Yeah. Assuming you do not use the front to fail, it will appear on the children in the class. The plane will will bend the children in the class.
Is it by force to speak English? Speak your local dialect. Let the reporters look for interpreters or interpreters.
Here I come. Here I come.
And some of you too, we beg you, if you know you are not sure of what you are saying, please, we beg you, don't confuse us. At the end of the day, you come and find out, you are also telling us what you heard. You were not there when it happened. We beg you. Why? Esremo.
Me pacho mini hasana samuni.
How did that thing happen?
Say I was told that the thing happened in between the two classrooms. So the teachers rushed to where the classrooms near where the incident happened. So
I don't know who said that. You can tell if an engine is faulty. You can see and even tell.
Oba, you pa na to say machine or trago machine. O jima no atena se, e ko ofo jima no atena se. What I say? Later on oba no, ne machine is sparky biom. Into your no fit betumi dey akọ. But later on ko off from my so so sparky enye and just so. So say there oba no the best set for mo. Ti machine dey fault na. Eba machine na go for ni esi. Apollo in the wire dey. The yam to say school kola nso an was an kola wo ho a omo crèche bi mo deda. This time is very short. So they say better yam say obi wan come omo dey yam form crancy omo do mo ko. So I know to myself machine no problem. To turn no problem. Problem na machine ko. Say master radio no be obi ewu here. Radio na omo obi 2 no wo. It's 2. Because some tell me information omo 2 no wo. Wow. Omo 2. About that, I can say, yes, I say, Kaba, we are waffle breaker. We are quite, Uma quite say, so be a few quite.
Hey!
What I say, hey. Say, no, what I said was of funny difficult. You want the machine to call for Bill machine, we have a call off. Any Juma, glass near Juma, the Bill any Juma. It's the last.